Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I just wanted to give you guys a quick algo update with Bitcoin. It actually just gave our first bearish signal in a very long time, but because of the momentum that's been happening with Bitcoin recently, we actually, it actually did back in December 11th. We did have a really good, solid kind of uptick right here. And I posted the video if that we might hit $30,000 this week, and we actually got really close. We actually hit like 29,800 something. So $30,000 by Sunday is actually a real probability. I think there might be like a 95% chance we actually cross over that $30,000. My algo actually gave a bearish signal on December 29th. As of right now, momentum is still pretty high. As far as bearish signals on the algo, it doesn't seem like it's really affecting it to really have like a big drawdown. More so, either trading flat or down slightly. So as of right now, I'm not seeing Bitcoin actually drop really anywhere. I do expect it to keep running up, and I'm looking for another kind of pinpoint to see whether it's actually what the algo thinks about Bitcoin in the next couple of days. But as of right now, momentum is still pretty strong. There's no reason why Bitcoin should not pass $30,000 this week, but we'll see.